2008 Mustang, good friend of mine named Shannon. I have been riding her butt for a lot of years to get this supercharger. I'm gonna show it to you. We first put cams and headers on this car back in 2010. Been racing NMRA together, but now it's time to watch some dynos with the supercharger. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Let's check this out. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. So like I said, my friend Shannon's Mustang's in today. Finally, she got her Roush 560R package. It's our turnkey package that includes a 3.5 pulley. It's about 9 PSI of boost. We run 93 octane fuel, Kohler spark plugs, Kinney belt boost pump, an easy way to upgrade and do a lot of power on your stock 3-valve engine. This car's running about 60,000 miles right now. Has our Detroit rocker camshafts, BBK headers. I have Doug with me today. Let's take a look at this before we make the pull on the dyno. The car is probably gonna lay down some sick numbers. I know for a fact it's gonna lay down sick torque, but she is going from basically an NA car with headers and camshafts to about 9 PSI of boost. It's gonna be a huge difference on the street, a huge difference at the track. Let's check it out. All right, I made 3 pulls in a row at different RPM. And before I look at these numbers, don't forget in the description, I'll leave links to this kit. You probably have more questions, as well as a link to how you can get a quote on this installed and simple. Just email quote@brenspeed.com. But we made 491, 495, 496, real horsepower. I tried different RPMs. The 491 is 6,300, 495 is 66, 496, 68. All came out really, really good. And then torque, 442, 440, 437. And if you look at these graphs, seriously, I hammer this thing right on 2,500 RPMs, boom, instant over 400 torque, to the tires right away. It hangs all the way until I was leaving off. You know, really a package like this, I'd say shifted at about 6,300 RPMs. I was running up a little bit higher to see what the power does. It does continue to climb, torque falls off a little bit, but it's a killer setup. So if you have questions about this, again, leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer. That's our Roush 560R package. Let's take a look at this car one more time, Doug. 08 GT, beautiful car, 60,000 miles, and I love a car that sees track use. It is a manual transmission car. It does get daily driven a little bit, but really right now, it spends more time at the track, I think, than on the street. But now that we've installed the supercharger, I think this summer it's gonna see a lot more street miles. Thanks for watching.